Namaste. Welcome to Breathe In Yoga Studio. First of all, standing on your mat, close your feet, both palm namaste in front of your heart. Now take a deep inhale, start prayer, Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha Tatsavitur Vareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Rub your both palm, place on your eyes, open your eyes, then start. First walking, breathe, hold with walking. First of all, inhale, take a deep breath and start walking. Hold your breath, then walk. Do this process at your home daily 5 to 10 minutes. Good. Again, second, breathe in, then hold your breath, then again start walking. Continue walking. Breathe, hold according to your capacity and walk. Slowly, slowly walk. One more time, inhale. There are a lots of benefit of holding your breath. Good. Continue walking. One more time, inhale, take a deep breath and start walking. Breathe in and start walking. The benefit of breathe hold. So many benefits are there, like brain cell protection, improve lungs capacity, strengthen the diaphragm muscles, reduce stress and anxiety level. Good. Now come back to on your mat, 1 feet distance between the feet. Now slowly hand rotation. Inhale, take a deep breath and raise your hands up. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, hands down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. Do this practice with deep inhale and exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now 2 feet distance between the feet. Both palm on your waist. Now with breath, slowly hip rotation, waist rotation. Clockwise, then anti-clockwise. Do this yoga practice at your home and this holding practice at your home daily 5 to 10 minutes, because breathing practice, breathing exercise keep your mind calm and body healthy. Good. Anti-clockwise. 3, 2, 1. Good. Now alternate, hug your knees. Inhale, exhale, down. Then other side. Inhale, up, forehead and knee together. Exhale, down. Inhale, contract your abdomen. Exhale, relax. Inhale, contract. Exhale, down. 5 more. 3, 2, 1. Good. Now come back to 1 feet distance. Now sequence today specially yoga for COVID and prevention and recovery from COVID and this coronavirus. First of all, 1 feet distance between the feet. Catch your elbows. Inhale, lift your heels and hold your breath. Inhale, breathe, hold, Tadasana pose. Try to hold your breath 5 seconds or more than 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heels down and exhale, left side bend. Tiryak Tadasana pose. Look in right shoulder. Maximum stretch your side muscles. Completely breathe out. Hold, exhale, breathe, hold. Inhale, come to the middle center. Exhale, right side. Other side, look towards your left shoulder, left elbow. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, middle center. Exhale, 90-degree forward bend and hold your breath. Try to hold your breath each and every posture, because breathing holding improve the lungs capacity, improve your diaphragm muscles. So breathe, exhale, then breathe, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now inhale, bend your both knees 90-degree. Bring your buttocks back, spine straight and head up. This is the chair pose. And hold chair pose. Inhale and hold your breath in chair pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, knees straight. Now inhale, lift your left leg up 90-degree. From front, 90-degree up. This is Niralam Utthit Padangusthasana pose. So hold your breath, inhale, breathe, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now take a left leg back of the mat 45-degree, right leg 90-degree. Now breathe in, then arch back, Virbhadrasana 1. Inhale, breathe, hold in Virbhadrasana 1. Hold your breath. This is Kumbhaka. Breathe, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, forward. Utthit Ashwa Sanchalana. Forehead or chin on your right knee. But exhale, completely exhale, then hold. Hold your breath after exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now left knee on your mat. Left toe release. Right foot little forward. Push your pelvic forward. Inhale. Half moon pose. Breathe. Hold. Hold your breath. Remember, hold your breath each and every asana. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Exhale. First take a right leg back. 1 foot distance between the knees, between the feet. Spine should be straight. Inhale. Breathe. Hold. Then arch back. Camel pose. Hold your breath. 1. Maximum stretch your back thighs, abdominal muscles, diaphragm muscles, side ribs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, Prishthasana. Exhale, forward, forehead on your mat, elbows on your mat. Elongated your spine, chest or chin on your mat. Your knees or your thighs should be straight in one line. Your hip bone straight in one line. Stretch. 5. Exhale, breathe, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now exhale, completely lie down on your stomach. Toe release, buttocks down. Catch your elbows, close your feet. Now breathe in and hold your breath. Inhale, lift your upper body up, head up, shoulder up, catch your elbows. Inhale, up and hold. Expand your lungs. Hold. 1, breathe, hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, mountain pose, Parvatasana pose. Completely exhale. Contract abdomen completely. Elbow mountain pose. या dolphin pose. Try to proper heels on your mat. Look in navel, spine straight in one line. Maximum stretch your upper back. 5. Exhale, then breathe, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now drop your knees and standing on your feet. Inhale, balancing on your toes. This is Utkatasana pose. Breathe, hold. Inhale, breathe, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale down. Exhale down. Inhale, direct stand up in Tadasana pose. Maximum lift your heels. 1, 2, 3. Breathe, hold. 4, 5. Exhale, heels down. Inhale, lift your right leg up 90 degree. From front line, right leg up, stretch your right ankle. Inhale, breathe, hold. Take a deep inhale and hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now take a right leg back 45 degree, left leg 90 degree, both heels in one line. Now inhale, breathe, hold, then arch back. Virbhadrasana 1. In each and every asana, please hold your breath. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now exhale completely. Rechak. Exhale. Breathe, hold. After exhale, contract your abdominal muscles and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now exhale. Right knee on your mat. Inhale, push your pelvic forward, arch back. This is the half moon pose. Inhale, breathe, hold. 1, improve your lungs capacity, improve your back, low back pain. Open your pelvic maximum. 3, 2, 1. Good. Now take your left leg back. Exhale. 1 foot distance between the knees. Standing on your knees. Catch your elbows. Inhale, arch back. Maximum go back. But breathe, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 4. Breathe, hold. Prishthasana pose. Forehead or chin on your mat. Maximum stretch your upper back, lower back, middle back. Prishthasana pose. Prisht means back. Maximum stretch your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Lie down on your stomach completely. Close your feet. Catch your elbows. Inhale. Lift your upper body up, balancing on your stomach. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, mountain pose. Exhale, dolphin pose. But breathe, hold. Contract your abdominal muscles. Exhale completely, then breathe, hold. Looking navel. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now drop your knees. Standing on your knees first. Then standing on your feet. Standing on your toes. Balancing on your toes. Concentrate in one point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now inhale, stand up in Tadasana pose. Again inhale, breathe, hold. 1, stretch your whole body up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, relax. Shake your both hands, shake your legs. Then sit down. Now sit in any comfortable position. Any Sukhasana, Vajrasana, Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana, any comfortable position. Now your spine straight, eyes closed, both palm on your knees. Now we are going to do some specific pranayam for corona or for COVID virus. Mind, body relax. Breathing normal, heartbeat normal, then start. First pranayam we are going to do this Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati means forcefully exhale, only exhale. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Forcefully exhale. Do this pranayam every day, empty stomach, evening or morning. For 5 minutes, every day exhale, only exhale, nothing to do this in this pranayam, only exhale, forcefully exhale. Stomach in, out. Exhale, 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 exhale. Forcefully exhale. As much as you can, just do this pranayam forcefully. Exhale for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Continue. Exhale. Which people suffering from low back pain or middle back pain or upper back pain or back pain, do this pranayam slowly, and in this pranayam, in between this pranayam, take a break like 30 seconds, 10 seconds, then again start for back pain peoples. Good. Exhale. Now 10 seconds relax. Abdominal muscles relax. Thoracic, back, low back relax. Good. Next, Bhastrika Pranayam. Next 3 steps Bhastrika Pranayam. First, level 1. Open your elbows and shoulder level. Join your hands, fingers in front of your chest. Eyes closed, spine straight. Bhastrika Pranayam. Breathe in, breathe out forcefully. Chest breathing. Very effective pranayam for your lungs cleansing. So clean your lungs completely. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale forcefully. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Forcefully inhale, forcefully exhale. Inhale, exhale should be same. Inhale, exhale. Same Bhastrika Pranayam. Do this pranayam every day 5 to 10 minutes. Empty stomach, morning or evening. When you will be free, do this pranayam every day. Now second step. First step is done of Bhastrika Pranayam. Now second step of Bhastrika Pranayam. Now catch your scapula, back side, spine straight. Now again same breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Chest breathing. Forcefully inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Just type of Sudarshan Kriya. Continue, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Just focus on your inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale. You have to inhale forcefully, exhale forcefully, but remember the inhale and exhale should be same. Same quantity inhale, same quantity exhale. Do this step, second step for 3 to 5 minutes. Exhale, relax. Again take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Now third step of Bhastrika Pranayam. Good. Start. Inhale. Raise your hands up. Exhale, jump. And close your elbows with your side ribs. Look at the screen and follow the instructions. Inhale, exhale. People suffering from high BP, do this process, do this pranayam slowly. And people suffering from high BP, after this Bhastrika Pranayam, Chandrabhedi Pranayam is compulsory. Okay, continue. Inhale, exhale. Forcefully inhale, inhale, hands up, exhale, hands up. Then slowly, fast. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and close your elbows with your side ribs. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Then relax. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out, relax. Anayas breathing. Just breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now both palm on your knees in Gyan Mudra. Last pranayam is Bhramari Pranayama. I should be close. I should be close with your fingers, palm, your fingers Keep on your eyes, but don't press your eyes forcefully. Just keep lightly on your eyes, just for close your eyes for your concentration. So close your eyes and close your ear cap with your thumb. It's good for your concentration, it's good for your mind relax. So close your eyes, close your ear with your thumb and fingers. Now take a deep inhale, long inhale. Do purak. Purak means inhale, and then create humming sound or humming song like Then again take a long breath, inhale, then create a humming song like Do this Bhramari Pranayam at your home 10 to 15 minutes. It's good for the children, adults and every person, and especially for COVID. People suffering from COVID or COVID positive people with mild symptom, this pranayam strengthen their lungs, strengthen their minds, strengthen their lungs capacity, their lungs muscles. Studies are showing that this Bhramari pranayams helps increasing the nitrous oxide in your lungs. And why this is so important? Because this nitrous oxide has a very strong antiviral property. It reduces the replication of virus and thereby stops spreading of virus in your system. So do this Bhramari pranayam in this situation, in this modern time, daily. Long breath, inhale and slowly exhale. And feel the vibrations of Bhramari pranayam. Feel more vibrations, feel more relaxed. Now eyes should be closed. Focus between the eyebrow center, both palm on your knees in Gyan Mudra, mind body relax. These pranayams like Kapalbhati, Bhastrika and Bhramari pranayam helps increase the oxygen level in your lungs, in your body. These breathing exercise help keep the respiratory system healthy. So do this pranayam regularly at your home. Hardly it will take 30 minutes or 35 minutes. Focus on your breath. Relax. Now take a deep inhale. Hold your breath. Hold according to capacity. Then slowly breathe out. Exhale. Inhale your stomach out like a balloon. And exhale your stomach in towards the spine. Now inhale Om chant Shanti Path. Both palm together, both palm namaste in front of your heart. There is Anahat Chakra. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityormam Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Relax, rub your both palm forcefully, place on your eyes, gently massage on your face, relax your facial muscles, relax your eyes, open your eyes and relax. Thank you everyone, see you in the next video. Thank you.